Pwede rin tayo mag-views. Kasi marami lang viewers yun. Mag-high lang tayo sa any live stream.
Magandang ano po, gabi po. Bukas po, huwag mong kalimutan. MU Live. Matama ko ang Pilera. Pero kami dito, magkakantahan kami. Medyo nagkakatimplahan pa lang ng boses.
Ayun, nasabi doon ng daddy ko, idol ka daw na since bata. Since nung panahon pa niya.
Ay, maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat po. Kami po ay nananatili na nandito, nagbibigay ng kaligayahan sa inyo. At pati po ang pati ang pagkanta. Sige na!
Mariel pa tawag po. Here. So, mag-hi tayo ulit. Here. And they're looking for you.
Hi guys!
Hey! Yeah.
Oo nga, gutom na ako. Kain tayo na noodles.
Hilera, go.
Okay, at tinatanong nila si if you were singing a while ago, sabi ko, yes.
Ako po yung kumakanta kanina. Nagpa-practice.
Yan, so may ipa-plug ba tayo? Plug natin?
Oo nga, bukas na yung showing ng po Message of Love. Sana po manood po kayo. Dahil hindi na kayo may in love, pero marami din kayo matutunan dito sa mundo. At kakaiba. At parang nag-free vacation kayo sa inyo. Sana po manood kayo. Thanks.
Sabi, you are so pretty. Galing ba daw kumanta?
Oh, thank you.
Okay, ito yung lagi
You
namin
guys are
dito
too nice.
Nagkakaroon kami dito na picture taking. Picture taking namin dito kay iba, hindi yung flashes. Philippine screen nila. Philippine screen natin yung mga fans. So, magkaya tayo ng picture dito. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Print screen! Ayan. Yan, kuha na nila yan.
Sample daw, sample.
Sample.
Anong klaseng sample?
Siyempre, song number yun.
Okay, lubo.
Anong song?
Yan, song eh, no?
Oh, 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 oh. I'm looking around, always looking down, and all I see is a place I can't reach. You know that I can use somebody. You know that I can use somebody. Dance number? Dance number.
Anong klaseng dance number daw? Okay. Yan po, yan.
Gusto niyo po yung sample ko?
Yes.
Salamat!
Any message?
Cute daw ako. Ayan naman.
May pa nila nire-request this.
Maraming
Cool mo naman. You're saying you're cool.
cool daw ako. Thank you.
So,
We like niyo po ang page ko sa Facebook. Winnie natin. Ayan. Search ko lang. Wala po after. Wala binisip kong bukit. Jokes!
ayan. What can you say? Any last messages?
Basta sana po panoorin niyo po to. At syempre, written and directed by Roger Padilla, my father. Actually, alam nyo, gusto ni Papa, tawagin ko siya ng brother, hindi father. Feeling na, he's getting old. Ha?
Hindi na pinaka-best dito sa iyo.
Ayun po! Thanks! Ano pa?
Queenie, ang ganda mo. Kasi, nila yung sila sa iyo. So,
Thank you so much. Ang daming magandang comments.
astig.
Tama, astig nga si Papa.
Yes.
Napaka-cool na dahil.
And musta na kayo ni EJ kasi hindi na narinig kanina.
So, hindi best friend ko siya. ang 2 months of love. Kasama ko dito si Camarella Villas, Robert Patuya, EJ Falcon, and myself. And kasama ko manood po kayo. I love you all. God bless.
Nag-enjoy po kayo yung Mr. Rory Padilla kanina. Yung harap. Ayan. Ganda naman yung magkano yung okay. Check it on iTunes and Amazon.com and also StarRecords.ph. Hanapin nyo na lang po doon. Nandun lang po yun. Okay, hi Jeneline. Yan, I'm calling your name. Sinilas mong pinakita. Okay, ito po, Chok. Yan, with James, Mika, and Kyle. Here it is. James, Mika, and Kyle.
Next is
That's Chuck.
For the day, for the week, and for the month.
Pero parang Jonas. Hi tayo sa stream and invite them later. Okay. Okay, meron tayong guest. Okay, say hi. Hey. Say hi to
Strong to all you guys, Kapuyaters. We'll see Marky Strong from Pilipinas Got Talent. And today I'll be singing with my band. So excited ako, yung mga originals ko na composition. So I hope you guys watch out.
Yeah. Okay, meron kaming gimmick dito sa live stream namin na may picture taking kami dito, print screen. So we could have a print screen dito, picture with me. Okay.
Perfect.
Okay, sige, move lang tayo ng konti. Okay, sige mga creators, say, print screen, 3 counts, okay? 1, 2, 3! Yeah! Alright, okay, Chris is asking, are you single?
Am I single? At the moment, actually, I am. Actually, mga kanta ko is really heart-wrenching, depressing. Parang Anna James Morrison. So, I hope you guys watch out for it. It's dedicated to the experiences of all you people out there na heartbreak. They left you for someone else, you know, and you just feel like so depressed that you write a song or you write a diary, you write a blog or something. And songs from my heart, I guess. So hope you guys watch out for it mamaya. Excited na ako kasi yung first time ko to put out.
Album, meron na ba?
My album will be coming out sana in May with Star Records. We're compiling na the songs, so check nila yung mga originals ko for what it can be.
Okay, so don't forget, lalabas na po yung album niya on May. Download on iTunes, Amazon.com, and StarRecords.ph. Forget.
Hey Rob, hey Chris, hey Ian, how are you guys? Thanks for coming and supporting the online chat.
Hey, and guys, like the better.
Please watch later on Music Upgrade.
Yeah.
So now I'm gonna step up and then see you rehearse and see you later. Bye. Hi, I am Lam.
Kaya ba siya reklamo?
Subject. Mr. Jack. Alright.
Okay.
I'll see you later.
See you later. Thank you. Thank you for this. Picture na sister.